What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be opening up more of these mini brand balls. I went to my local Dollarama and they actually had them and they're only $5. So I got 2 balls for $10. So not too bad. Considering if you go to like Walmart, these are like $12.99 a ball. This one is the food. So the packaging looks like it's fun. Let's open up these babies. I love this part. This part's my favorite. Part comes off. I won't take the bottom part off because last time I did that, they went everywhere. So ooh, these are so cool. Oh yeah! All I need is some ice cream and I'm good to go. So I don't have my glasses on, hold on. Ooh, okay. So we got a Hershey's chocolate syrup. Starting off so good. And see what we get. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, Stubbs Original Legendary Barbecue Sauce. Oh. What do we get? Oh. Fully clean Arm & Hammer, clean and simple. What is this? Laundry soap or something? But that's cool. How cute is that? Got 2 more. Ooh. Okay, we have a little booklet. It just shows like what I can get in here, like a checklist. And then, oh my god, yes! This is my favorite chocolate bar ever. The Reese's Pieces. Little like Smarties, I think. 150 calories. How funny is that? Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, I have this. I was actually just using it in my hair. It is the Batista shampoo in blush. Hey, so that was the first ball. Now we're gonna go on to the second ball. And we'll see what we got. Oh no! I got the same dry shampoo. Okay, next door. Please not the same one. Oh no! It's the same one! Scared me. It's the Reese's 2 peanut butter cups, so it's actually the chocolate bar, and here it is. Yum yum yum. And that's just the back. Oh, the back's even upside down on this one too. How funny. Oh yeah!
I didn't get the same. I didn't get the same.
Laughing Cow Cheese Dippers Original. Oh, cool. How cool is that? Little crossword happening there. How cute is that? Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh! It's not excited. This is the Blue Diamond Almonds Nut Thins Almond and Rice Cracker Snacks. not really coming off that well. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Left me hanging. Ah. Again, I got another Reese's Pieces Smarties. Awesome if I got like a slush puppy. How cool would have that been? So this is everything that I did get in my 2 mini balls food. So let's check it out. What I got the Laughing Cheese Dippers, I got the dry shampoo, I got the almond nut thins, Hershey's chocolate syrup, I got the detergent or fabric softener, one of them, I got barbecue sauce, and I got Reese's Pieces Smarties. I got 2 of those, and I got a Reese's Pieces chocolate bar, 2 peanut butter cups. Yum. So this is my grocery haul. Hey guys, so that's everything that I got in my mini brand food balls. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.